Hi, my name is Mary Malone of the Lux Service Group at Coldwell Realty. Today, I'd like to tell you a few secrets of how to get top dollar when you want to go sell your home. Selling your home is a big decision and getting ready is crucial. Number one, I'd like you to get out there and start boosting your curb appeal. Go ahead, get that mulch, start weeding, and also make sure to freshly paint your door. If you see a film on the outside of your house, get that power washer out there and make sure it's nice and clean. The last thing you want is a buyer to drive up in your driveway and say, I have to do this, that, and this as soon as I move in. So make sure you have a cool welcome home vibe going. Number two, staging to sell. Sounds fancy. Really what it is ruthlessly decluttering. What I'd like you to do is walk around the house and start packing away your personal items. Move your furniture so there's more room and your home flows seamlessly. What we do at the Lux Service Group is we do hire a licensed professional stager to come work with you and help maximize your space and neutralize your home for potential buyers. We all feel that this is in your best interest. Number three, let there be light. Take down your valances, get rid of the curtains, pack them up. You'll probably want them at your next home, but we need to open up the windows. Make sure that all of the light comes through. Wash them, make sure they're sparkly clean. And then if you have a dark room, go ahead, get a couple lamps, turn them on, and you may want to add a mirror or two to give you a sense of openness. Number four, deep clean like a pro. Focus on the kitchen, the bathrooms, and the floors. Make sure that you wipe down your kitchen cabinets. Make sure that you scrub your shower. If you don't want to clean your home, because I don't want to clean my own home, I know that you may not like cleaning your home either. We definitely have a list of preferred vendors that we can supply to you. And make sure that your home smells nice and fresh. Don't light candles though, because a lot of people are sensitive to certain smells. All right, to wrap it up, there are four things I'd like you to focus on when you go to get your house market ready. Number one, boost your curb appeal. Number two, stage it to sell. Number three, let there be light inside of your house. And number four, deep clean like a pro. If you'd like any more market strategies of how to sell your home, give me a ring and definitely subscribe to our YouTube channel.